So this is $1,600 that I almost missed at the flea market, this unit right here. So a couple weekends ago, my daughter and I were at the flea market. We were walking around. I came across this at one of the vendors. I took a picture of it, asked the vendor a little bit about it. He told me it was a knee rehab machine. Like I always do, I take a picture, ask a little bit, ask how much they're asking for it. He wanted, I think it was $80 for the unit. That seemed kind of high to me, but I usually will take interest in something when I get to it, and then I'll walk away, do a little bit of research, see what I can find out. And this instance, we actually took a picture of it, walked away, and then I saw something a couple vendors up that I looked at, and I forgot all about this. Well, on our way out, after we did all the aisles of the flea market, we walked past this on our way out. Praise the Lord we did, because I actually remembered about it. We had a couple things in our hands, my daughter and I. So we walked back to the car. I pulled out my phone and I actually did the research on it. Well, come to find out, it was selling on eBay between $400 and $800, which that's pretty good for an $80 investment. It's not bad. We try to 10 times our investment when we're buying stuff. So I knew that I should be able to get between $400 and $800 on it. I walked back to the vendor, offered him $60 for it. We actually bought 2 chairs with it as well, Tommy Bahama chairs. So $80 in total is what I ended up spending on this and 2 Tommy Bahama chairs, like beach chairs. So we got this bad boy for 60 bucks, brought it back, cleaned it up, wiped it down, took some pictures of it. I did some more research after that because you guys remember I said this is $1,600, not $800. I did some more research. I looked onto Google to see what it was retailing for. And it retailed from anywhere from $2,400 up to $3,500. So I thought, well, I should be able to get more than $800. It's in good shape. I should be able to get more than $800 for this. So I listed it for $1,800 on eBay. Somebody bought it within a week. They did not pay for it. They did not go through with the auction. So I actually had to relist it. Sorry, the listing. We don't do auctions. We do buy it nows. So I had to relist it, and then I sold it a week later for $1,600. I had probably 16 to 20 watchers on it. I sent out an offer for $1,699. Somebody wrote back and said they would pay $1,500 for it. And that's where I actually went back and I said, hey, if you do $1,600, I'll sell it. So we sold it for $1,600. So all that being said is this is $1,600, a flip that we made. Oh, and after all the fees, after shipping that, we'll make, I think, around $1,300, between $1,200 and $1,300 after it's all said and done. So awesome profit on something like this. So you guys are probably like, what the heck is it? It is a knee rehab machine. So the name of it is a Kinetic Spectra. If you see one of these while you're out shopping at Goodwill, at Salvation Army, any of those thrift stores, yard sales, flea markets, it is a good thing. So, and the other thing, this is heavy. That was one of the things that it's not a chintzy, it's not a little plastic thing, and most of it is metal. So it's all constructed of metal, which it is heavy. It's a heavier unit. So, like I said, Kinetic Spectra is the name. It also has the CPM concept. That's the name on it as well. So, like I said, we did research. We still asked underneath retail. Somebody got an amazing deal on it at $1,600. If they wanted a new one, which this thing works just fine. I tested it, cleaned it up, got the pictures. It works just fine. If somebody would have had to buy a new one, they would have had to spend almost $1,000 more, in some cases even more than that, depending on where they bought it from. So killer deal. Guys, we love doing videos like this. We love sharing our flips. Not to brag, but to try and give you guys some ideas while you're out there sourcing. Hey, look for these kind of things. If you guys do like seeing these, please subscribe, like. We love doing these, like I said, but we want to know that we're making a difference. We're trying to help people get better at this flipping game. So we'd love to share some love with us. Let us know. Comment below. Let us know any comments that you guys have. But we do love making these videos and trying to help people out. So killer deal. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. See ya!